At last, I finally replaced my builder grade shower head. I love it so far. I definitely wanted an extended hose so that I can use. But one of the things that I don't like is the drippage afterwards. But I still love how it sprays out. It's actually much more forceful than the original one. So I'm just gonna turn it on. And this is actually coming from the shower head and the middle attachment. You can change how you want to adjust it, or you just want the centerpiece, or you want the outer. So I have it so that it's going out of both. Absolutely love it. I just had it under a week, so hopefully this will hold up. Comes with the Teflon tape, all the parts and attachments that you need. Definitely recommend it. Obviously, I'm not going in on the other side because it's running. And it stretches down. Now, the only thing is I need to get a new shower caddy that will fit this piece in, because the other one is just gonna overlap it like that, and aesthetically and usability, that's not gonna work. Only way for me to use the middle part with it being together is if it's halfway. I do not like this because it's not pressure. It is like Rainfall. And then if I do this one with the high pressure, the high pressures are small. All high pressures are small. These are high pressure. The ones at the end are the high pressure. The one that hits all over is like a Rainfall. It's like a Rainfall. I do not like it.
here that's going to the different flows. You can stop this one. And then you got both of them. When they're both on, the pressure is not that good. And then when you put it to that, I keep it till they're both on. It's pretty good. The cord is not as long as I would like it, but no. And it is lightweight. See, it's not tight enough. I can't seem to get this part tight enough for the ball to not move so much. But you get the point. Pretty good. It's supposed to be in the middle. Drips sides. And then the middle drips when it's only put together sides. Works good.
Really good pressure. And I like that you can change the handle. Ooh, feel it. Love it.
Okay, so here's all the components that come with this. You get the hose, get this handle one, and you get the main shower head with the filter. Get your manual, tape, O-ring, and your water restrictor in case you want to save water, which will reduce the pressure.
Mommy's showing you. And then you lift this up. I love it.
Might have been right with his theory that like
This bag
it
is
comes
sealed.
down to Jeff.
I have not
It's
opened
very
it yet.
possible, because even though
And it's
Kenneth
just
was
the
one who clearly
headpiece.
posed at the scene, when they
The rest
talked to Richard
is
and learned more
just
about
cord,
his movements
and
that
it
day,
shows in the picture
it
it's
just doesn't
supposed to have
seem like
this.
there was anything going
So
on.
where
in his
is
life that
it?
would lead to
It's not
something
in
like
here.
this. And according to Richard, Kenneth didn't even